You are welcome to TDS Online Maths. Alright, in these tutorials, I'm going to talk about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, so far as core mathematics is concerned, is very important. Alright, so it is a branch of mathematics which deals with expressions that contains numbers and letters. Okay, so we can talk about 8x, okay, y. So we have a number here and we have letters here. Okay, we can also talk about 5p y. So these are all examples of algebraic expressions. Okay, now we can talk about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. All right, so we can ask to add or subtract algebraic expression. All right. Consider the following examples. Okay, so you can give it a try by pausing the video. All right, so we are given 8x minus 4y plus 3x plus 10y. Okay, if you ask to simplify these expressions. Okay, so what you have to do is to look for the common terms. Okay, if the terms are like, you can put them together. For instance, we have 8x here and we have 3x here, so they are like, okay, therefore we can put them together. So 8x and 3x will give us 11x, so we have 8 plus 3, 11. And we also have negative 4y and plus 10y, so 10 minus 4 is 6, so we have 6y. So the correct answer for the first one is 11x plus 6y. Okay, now let's look at the second example. We have 8m plus 8n minus 2m plus 7y. Now we have 8m here minus 2m there, so they are the like terms, so we can put them together. So that will be 2m because 4 minus 2 is 2. And since we have no other terms that we can add, I'll continue by adding the rest, 8n then 7y. So that's the answer. Okay, now let's group the last one. So let's look at the last example here. Let's look at the terms that are like. So we have x squared y, then x squared y. So let's put them together. So I'll go ahead and say 5x squared y. So minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. X squared y plus 3x cubed. So this side will be negative 5. So we have the final answer as 3x cubed minus 5x squared y. So that's the answer. Okay, so this is not different from the first one, they are the same. So we are given 2k squared y, then minus 12xy, then 7k squared y. So 2k squared y and 7k squared y are like, so I can put them together. So 7 plus 2 is 9. then I add the variables. So we have only this one, so minus 12 xy minus 12 xy. That's the answer. Guess the second one. 30p minus 3k plus p minus k. What's the answer? Now 30p plus p will be 31p. So they are the like terms. Then we have minus 3k minus k. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So we have minus 4k. So that's the answer. Alright, so try the last one. 24e plus 2e minus 6k minus 3k. So we have the two like terms here. 24 plus 2 is 26e. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9k. So that's the answer. Alright. Now let's look at multiplication and division of algebraic expression. Alright, so now we are to multiply any two expressions. Okay, so in case we are given something like 4a squared b times 3ab. Okay, if you're asked to multiply the two expressions here, now don't rush. Now we are multiplying, therefore make sure you multiply the numbers. Okay, so 4 3 is 12. Then you deal with the letters. So a squared times a, remember the power here is 1. So if you multiply and the bases are equal, just add the pi. So we have a to the power 3. And go ahead and multiply the b. So we have 1 1 b squared. So that is what we are going to do. Now 4x cubed y cubed times 5xy to the power 4. Now let's see how we can multiply them. So same thing. So the numbers will multiply 5 4 20. X to the power 3, x to the power 1, x to the power 4, y to the power 4, y to the power 3, y to the power 7. So that's the answer. Now if we ask to divide this, okay, so this one is very simple. Okay, so you can rewrite this one as 40x cubed y squared on 20 xy. Okay, so let's do the cancellations. So 20 here, 2. Now x will go into this, you have 2 times. So we'll be left with 2. There are 3, so it will be cancelled. Then this one also remove one of the y's here. So we have 2x squared y as the final answer. Go ahead and solve this. 50y to the power 4 b to the power 3 divided by 2y to the power 3, then b. So how do you solve this? So same thing, just write 50y to the power 4 b to the power 3 on 2y to the power 3 b. Okay, so let's divide. 2 here 1, 2 here 25. So we have y to the power 3, y to the power 4, I've left it 1. So this side will be 2, so we have 25 y b squared. Alright, so take your pencil and your paper, then solve the following examples. So you have the first one as 35x squared divided by 7xy squared. Okay, so just divide this one by that. So it will be 35x squared on x y squared. So 7 to 35, we have 5 times 7, 5, 35. So x will cancel one of the x's. Okay, so we have 5x, okay, times 1 over y squared. So we have 5x over y squared, or 5x y to the power minus 2. Okay, so that's the answer. Example 2, we have 40 s cube y to the power 7 on 5x to the power 7 y squared. So 5 into 40 is 8. Now we have 3 here, 7 here, so we leave it 4. So s to the power 4. Then 2, 7, we have 5. So we have y to the power 5. Okay, so this one is the same as x multiplying itself 3 times, and this one is x multiplying itself 7 times. So this one will cancel this, this one will cancel this, this one will cancel this. So I will leave it s to the power 4, that is here. And y squared to this, the same as y to the power 7 divided by y to the power 2. So this one is division, therefore we can subtract the power since the bases are equal. So we have 7 minus 2, that is 5. So we can say s to the negative 4 y to the power 5. Now the third one, we have 10 times 8, so we have 80. So m squared, m to the power 4, we have m to the power 6, n cube n, so we have n to the power 4. So that is the answer. So we have same thing here, 5 times 3 times 4, 5, 3, 15. Then 15 times 4, that is 5, 4, 20, 0, 2, 4, 1, 4, plus we have 60. So we have 60 So a squared b, we don't have, so a squared times a times a, so we have e to the power 3, e to the power 4, b to the power 3, then we have p, so I'll add p to this. Okay, that's the answer. Alright, so go ahead and try the last one and put the answer under the comment section below. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this.